Hi friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. In the series of videos on nakshatras, today we'll talk about the Bharani nakshatra. So Bharani, as the name signifies, is an earthen pot which is used to store things. So primarily the nakshatra carries the characteristics of Bharani. So for example, people with moon in Bharani nakshatra are primarily interested in storing articles. So for example, it could be articles that are of use to yourself or primarily articles that could not be of any use to you as well. So if it talks about storing wealth, it primarily, the person will be hoarding wealth. The person could be hoarding or storing food as well. So for example, a famous personality in the financial field or in the industrial or in the business field is Lakshmi Narayan Mittal. Primarily, the characteristics where the wealth is kind of stored. Bharani is lauded by Yama. Yama is known as the Dharma Raja, and hence this nakshatra people have the unique characteristics of distinguishing and demarcating right from the wrong. So they will primarily move into the right direction. They have a unique sense wherein they can figure out that this is the right path and this is not the right path. You will also know that Yama is always, accompanied by Chitragupta. Chitragupta is the person who kind of, before Yama takes you away from this world, Chitragupta, carries the details of your positives and negatives that you have done in this world, and he always maintains your balance sheet. So always the Bharani nakshatra person will primarily have something called a Munimji with him, who will carry the details of this person's assets, liabilities, who will always be behind him as a recommendation guide. You would notice they are highly attractive people. For example, Bharani nakshatra, you could talk about Bill Clinton, you could talk about Demi Moore. They are highly attractive. Attractiveness from the perspective of physical attractiveness. They may not be necessarily partners who can, give a progeny or get on with the next generations. They are primarily, from a physically attractive perspective, they are also very, very artistically inclined. So for example, Christina Aguilera, or you can talk about Norah Jones, who are extremely talented, and Bharani nakshatra primarily are extremely talented from an artistic perspective. So you could find painters, you could find people who can sing, you could find people who can dance, etc. And the typical professions for a Bharani nakshatra are, you can think about an artist who could be an entertainer, artist who could be a painter, a singer, an actor, etc. kind of a thing. A person who kind of stores materials. So for example, antique owner, antique jewelry owner, or for example, anybody who's got to do with treasuring finance. So anybody in the treasury area would have one key planet in the Bharani nakshatra. So these are the areas where Bharani are pretty strong. The syllables associated with Bharani nakshatra are La, Li, Le, Lu. So for example, Lohit is a good name for a kid who is born in a Bharani nakshatra. Lakshmi is a good name. So similarly, anything to do with La and syllables of La are fantastic for a Bharani nakshatra. So in case you want to find out if any of your key planets are in Bharani nakshatra, you should definitely visit Jyotishi.com and get your free analysis done. And if there are certain good planets which are there in Bharani nakshatra, you should try and connect with this beautiful nakshatra so that we can all live a peaceful and happy life. Thank you for watching the Jyotishi channel.